Hey everyone, in a previous video that did quite well on this channel, I showed you some print-on-demand jewelry supplier alternatives to shine on. But in today's video, I'm going to be spotlighting some other print-on-demand suppliers. I bet you haven't even heard about some of them before, so let's go. The first supplier we're going to be looking at is called You Only Jewelry. So this supplier has a huge catalog of products, loads and loads and loads of products. So if you sell on Etsy, that would be a great supplier to use. But the thing is, You Only does not integrate directly with Etsy. It doesn't integrate directly with Shopify. So you would have to manually download your product and then upload it to Etsy or your Shopify account. Let's check out this product for example. So what you would do is, to sell this on Etsy or on your Shopify store, you would come in here, take the images, the pictures. They have these pictures for you here, and you can use them on your website or on your Etsy account. And then what you do is come here, take the title, take the description here, and every other information you need. Make sure you check the shipping time and all of that. Take all of this information here and just put it into your Etsy store as is or your Shopify store. If you're looking for a step-by-step video walking through how to do this, check my channel for other videos about Etsy or Shopify and see how you can upload products to the stores. So that's what you do with You Only. So You Only has loads of products. If you come here, you would see different categories here that you can sell your product in. I'm just going to randomly click on another one, and then you can see the personalized jewelries that you can sell. You just need to take the information from your customers and then come on in here. So once you get an order, you come here and then fill all of this as the customer has filled it on your website. So if the customer says inscription on the cycle, if it's just for example, love you, a small inscription, thank you, and then the length of chain, that is whatever the customer selected. So make sure you have all of this information on your website or on your store. What is the quantity? If it's 2, then I'm going to click on add to cart. It would be added to my cart. This would be the price for 2, and then you would select the products you want to check out and come here and then check out. Once you click on checkout, it will take you to the billing and shipping page, and then you would be able to see how much it would cost you to ship to the customer location. If you want to offer free shipping, make sure you have good price difference that would be able to cover your shipping. I think from contacting their support, they recently mentioned to me that the standard shipping is between $5 to $10. I mean, depending on where you're shipping to. They don't have a table where they have the prices listed until you actually put in the location of the customer, then you'd be able to see it there. So just make sure you put like an extra $10 for shipping plus the price of product if you want to offer free shipping. Or if you're not offering free shipping, you could just use a standard $10 for shipping so that you're able to cover that. So you will check that out and they will process the product, the item, and send it to your customers. The next one I'll be showing you will be JetPrint. JetPrint has a huge catalog of products. What I like about JetPrint is the fact that it has the ability for you to actually upload your own design, whatever it is that you want to create. So you can decide to create a brand around this where you have design and that's your design, and you connect it to your Shopify store and then you sell. So you can come in here and design, and you would be able to, it would show you how to go about that. You'll be able to upload your design here, and then you would submit it and process your order. There are loads of products here that you can personalize for yourself or for your customers. or that you may want to sell. But come here, take the title, the price, check out the shipping, how much it will cost to ship, and then the description. The good thing about JetPrint is it integrates directly with Shopify. And then they have a recent update that just came out last month, that's December 2023, where it now integrates directly with Etsy. So this is very new. So if you want to sell products with JetPrint on Etsy and you want to connect it directly, this is available now. You'll be able to do that. So I just wanted to show you that. Let's go to custom gift. So if you sell with Shine On, you would see that these are alternatives. This is a cheaper alternative to Shine On, and now that it integrates directly with Etsy, makes it all better because this just goes into your store directly. You wouldn't have to manually download this and then upload. So these are message card jewelry. If you sell with Shine On, you would know that these prices are way better than what you get on Shine On. And yeah, so these are different jewelries that you can sell. I'm just going to run through the catalog quickly. You would know that these jewelries do sell on Etsy now. Let's check out this flower name necklace. So what you would do is, if you're selling on Etsy or Shopify, you will be able to get the images, the title, the styles, the length, and the description imported directly to your store. So once your customer places an order, then you come in here to place your order and then ship it out and put your customers' shipping details and then ship it out to your customers. If you want to learn more about shipping, you'll be able to see the length of time it takes to ship to different countries. If you want it on standard shipping or fast shipping, that's express, you would see how long it would take and how much it would take. So you have all of that information here. This is a really good business. If you're looking to start something like this from home, this is something you can actually do from the comfort of your home. If you are in a country where Etsy is supported, just connect your Etsy store here. If you're not in a country where Etsy is supported, just connect your Shopify store and start selling. So that is JetPrint. I will leave a link in my description to all of these websites. You click on them and get started as soon as you can. Come into JetPrint and look at all the products they have and see what catches your eyes and then start selling. The third website I'll be showing you is called Artshiny. Now, I'll say here, Artshiny does not integrate directly with Etsy. It only integrates directly with Shopify. And Artshiny also have really cool products that you can customize and sell to your customers, ranging from necklaces, earrings, footwear, bangles, rings, projection necklaces and rings and all of that. And they also have message card jewelry, and the prices are fairly okay here too, so you may want to use them as your supplier if you sell message card jewelry. Let's just take a look at the customizable necklaces. You can see all of the designs they have here. These are selling really well on Etsy. You know they sell well on Etsy. If you do sell on Etsy, you'll see that this really sell on Etsy. If I go to my Etsy and I type in customized necklace, these are necklaces that you can customize for your customers. So you can get these necklaces here. You can see how much of volume these stores are having. If you can see, this is 19k reviews. That means a lot of people are buying, so there's a lot of volume here, guys. If you want to sell this, you can use Artshiny or JetPrint or you only as your supplier. Okay, so these are like the same jewelry that we just saw right now on Etsy. So you come in here to sell this on Etsy. It doesn't integrate directly, so you would have to come in here. You are allowed to use these videos, you're allowed to use these images. Just download them, take the description. I would advise that you rewrite it using ChatGPT or by yourself, so that you can make it your own and sound like you. And then you take the title, take the material, the variation, the colors, the sizes, and list it in your Etsy store. And then when you make a sale and a customer buys, you come into Add Shiny and add it to cart using the customization, obviously, and then add it to cart. You have the variation here also. You have the colors, the sizes, and the prices. So that's how that works. You can also go down to see the shipping rates to different countries and see how much you would have to pay for shipping and update that accordingly in your store. So that is another supplier at Shiny. And the last one I would want to show you will be CM Offer. Now, CM Offer has a huge catalog of products, and it's not just jewelries. They have a huge catalog of customizable products, and I will be showing you some of them. If you come down to this table here, it shows you how much of profit you can make. So if you sell a customized ring for $70, you pay for production. What you pay for production is $15, and you can keep the profit. So you can have an idea of what profit you're able to make. And this integrates directly with Shopify. At the time I'm making this video, it does not integrate with Etsy directly yet. So you would have to download your products manually and upload it manually into Etsy. There are tutorials here that can show you how to do that. I'm going to log into my account now and just show you. So this is my account, and I'm going to go to product and all products. Here you can see all of the products that they have here that you can customize and personalize. They have jewelry boxes, really nice design. Let's take a look at this one. I will leave a link in my description also, so you're able to explore CM Offer yourself. Check out all the products here and see what you love to sell. Okay, so for example, you are able to use all of these images on your website or on your Etsy account. So can you see all of these images are really nice? Then you come in here, take the title, take the color, the variation. Please be mindful of the processing time. This is the amount of time it will take before they even ship out the product. So you need to put into consideration the processing time, then the shipping time, to be able to offer that to your customer, to be able to set the expectation about shipping and delivery. And you see the price here. This is the price they are selling it. You obviously would be able to increase your own price. And then you see the description here. Please write a better description for your own product in your store. Now, so what you can do if you wanted to sell this is to click on download, and this will download to your phone or to your laptop. Okay, this will download. If you wanted to add it to Wish, you can save it for later. Just click here. And if you want to publish to store directly, it can go directly only to Shopify. I'm not sure about these two, but Shopify it can, but it can't go to Etsy. You can see Etsy is not here. If you want to publish to Etsy, you would have to download it. All of this will be downloaded in a zipped file. You would unzip it and then upload it to your Etsy account. Okay, now let's take a look at the shipping time. So they have categorized their shipping time and rate into these 4 regions. So if you click here to North America, you would see how much it will cost per weight and how long it will take. So this is the delivery time. So make sure you calculate the processing time plus the delivery time. That is what you would put in your Etsy store as the time the customer should expect to receive their product. Okay, so for different regions, it's here the price and the time. So that is how that works, guys. So that is all I wanted to show you guys in this video. So you come in here and explore all of these products. You can list them into your store. These are wallets, really nice wallets that you can sell. Valentine is coming very soon, and you might be able to create some of this product and get them listed quickly so that Etsy algorithm will catch it fast and be able to show that to some customers for you. These are different wallets that you can sell with people's pictures engraved on it and all of that. So you might want to sell this on Etsy or on your Shopify store. for the upcoming seasons. So guys, I just wanted to show you these 4 print-on-demand suppliers that you can use to get started with your print-on-demand business. Thank you so much again for staying with me to the end of this video. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to learn more about print-on-demand and how to get started, you may want to check out the next video that's going to pop up on the screen now, and that will be able to help you further. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this one, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.